Hello again, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change a door knob lock. It's going to be an easy one to do. And my old lock right here in the back, this is the back door. Everything's working. See, when you turn the knobs right here, the outside knob and the back knob, everything's working. But the only problem is this latch right here, this bolt right here. Normally when you know, see, you try to close it right here. See, when I try to close it, it would not close. See that? It got stuck in that position right there. That's the problem with this. Maybe it's, this lock has been too old or something. So that's the problem with my door right now, my lock. See if I can, if I turn this to lock the inside, let's see. Okay, that's working. You cannot turn it. If I release the lock, that's working. Now I can turn. But turn right there, you see this latch right here, it's working, but the problem is when I try to close it, it wouldn't do it. See? Normally, you know, when it's working right, they're supposed to yeah, you can push your you can use your finger, push it, it would go in. So that's the problem. I also have a deadbolt on this one, which is working properly. So, but luckily, I got the same kind of lock, an extra one. So I'm going to show you how to replace this one. You need a screwdriver right here, either a Phillips or flat screwdriver, and just examine the, you know, the this kind of screw we got here. Just examine that. This kind of screw right here, so you need a Phillips screwdriver. So basically that's all you need. Right, it's easy to do. There's 2 screws on the plate right there to take off, and then 2 screws on the other inside right here. Just remove the 2 screws. That's it shouldn't take long, maybe 10 minutes to do this. So I'm going to replace the whole thing because this one doesn't work anymore. Right here the latch doesn't work, so you just need a Phillips screwdriver, just 2 screws right here. Right, just remove it and take it out. And next thing you need to do is just remove this plate right here in the front, the 2 more screws, so it's 4 screws altogether. So if you have a camera, if you want to make sure you do it right, make sure that you take a picture of it. You know how this thing, how the latch is facing. See this facing this way? So make sure when you put it back, put a new one back, make sure the latch is facing. See this part right here is facing the door. So don't forget about that. All right. There's the old one. So take the old one out, and now we have a new one. I have a new one exactly like this. It says my new one right here, and I see this how it works right here. When you put this 2 together, there's 2 screws right here. The screw that go put like that. There's a little hole right here where this this piece fit in there. That, see, now you be able to turn the, see this is the lock and this is the turn. So when you put it in, all right, put this plate in first. Remember this part go toward the door right here. See, when you press it, you try to lock it. See, you lock like that. Don't put the other way around, it would not lock, see? So make sure when you put this latch in, it's facing this way. All right, just put the screw. Yeah, 10-15 minute job is not that hard to do. You see, you tighten up the screw, look at the plate, make sure that it doesn't catch anything right here. You have enough room. Try to close the door, see, that's how it's supposed to do, but the old lock doesn't do that. See, when you close it, it's supposed to close like this. See how the action of the lock is? All right, now put the other part in. Yeah, this is the outside part, and make sure that when you put it in, this is the outside, that's where the key goes. Make sure this right here is facing down so that when you not facing up like this. Okay, this part has to be facing down right here. That's where the key goes. This is the outside knob. You fit it through that hole right here. Right here. Make sure, like I said, this is pointed down like this. Fit it through this hole right here. Okay, like that. So you put the key in, you can turn, and if you look at it from this side, right there, put this part in so it fit the screw right here. There's two holes right here. The hardest part of this job is to make sure that see the screw when you put in. All right, try to feel it. See, you're catching anything? Nope, doesn't catch anything. Yeah, that's the only hardest part, is to line up the screw. There's a little trick of doing this. You put a little rubber band right here. All right, put a rubber band like that. Now you can adjust the plate right here. See, adjust that plate to find the where the screw is gonna go to. You have a flashlight, you can just try to find that holes. Tighten up. So that's the hardest part, just to you know, it's kind of hard to see when you try to screw this in because you can't see inside there. So the trick is to use a little rubber band right there. It's just to hold on to this. Hold the two knobs together so that you can line up the screw. So make it easier. So that's my little trick. And you see, test it out, it's working or not. All right. So this part right here is working. When you push it in, see, it's working. All right. When you lock the inside knob, okay, you cannot turn. When you unlock the outside knob, you can turn. So locked it, you cannot, see, Alright, unlocked it. Now you locked it, you still can be able to close it from the like this, because that's how it's supposed to work. This is locked. You lock from the inside, but see the outside you cannot lock. You lock from the inside, the outside is locked. So, but you can still be able to close the door. I'm not going to change the deadbolt because this is the same kind of lock that I have an extra one. So use the same kind of key. So I'm going to just leave the deadbolt alone. It's working. So I've used the same kind of keys anyway. So this is how you change the doorknob. It's easy. Just need a Phillips screwdriver and basically 4 screws to remove and then put in the new locks. So I hope you learned something today. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you so much.